Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I'm just gonna press unlock again. Kidney grill's lit up, DRL's on, low beam's on. Full light welcoming system has been initiated and it looks great. And if I go a little bit closer, you'll see the X6 actually illuminates the kidney grille all the way around, whereas the X5 and the X7 illuminate at the top and has a cascading effect. So this actually looks really cool like this. And let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle so we can take a look. I can already see we've got some nice red calipers. I can see a bit of that welcome light carpet shining through from under the vehicle. And yeah, the X6 definitely looks boss. So now that we have completed this lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is an M color. You can find it on non-M vehicles that have M Sport, such as this one. And it does really show off the lines well, especially on the hood here. We've got the 4 lines coming down lengthwise. We've got the BMW Rondelle. We also have the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, active grille shutter behind here as well. Front-facing camera, front plate bracket. Down here you've got your radar for advanced driver assist functions. There's more active grille shutters down here in the bottom section, and you can see we've got some functional air ducts going into the oil coolers and intercoolers and anything else that needs cooling, and for aerodynamics. So let's get those headlights on one more time just because it looks sweet when they animate, and I love the kidney grille lit up, so that is sweet. If we take a closer look, these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. We've got the double chevron design. We have all these little triangle patterns and all these other reflective surfaces for everything to shine off of in there, adding up to a really nice looking headlamp on both sides. Now when we come around here, you'll see that we are not only air suspension lowered, but we also have the 22-inch double spoke 742 M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake. I'm not a huge fan of black wheels. They are nice, but they're not my first choice. But I really do like red calipers behind there because it kind of makes it pop. And that's definitely the case here. We've got body colored over fender. We've got this cutout design on the fender. And you can see it starts this line that goes all the way through the doors. We also have the rocker panel down here with a two-tone section, and there's actually a place that illuminates the welcome light carpet. We also have the body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera. We have the door handles with touch comfort access on the front. We have the sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna. And if I take a little step back here, you'll see that we have sports activity coupe design. Rear windows polarized from factory, black window surrounds, Hofmeister kink. And there's your rear 742 M wheel with the red caliper. I like this wheel design a lot. We have the black spoiler on the tailgate. And if we come back here, we've got the inverted L-shaped tail lights. We also have these, I don't know what we'll call these, air breather things on the side here, kind of make it look a bit wider. Horizontal reflectors, big freeform exhaust, and we have a body colored diffuser here. And if I kick my foot underneath, we can get this to open up the hands-free way. This is the X6 cargo cover. It folds up, allowing us access to the back. Winter mats are here. This whole thing can actually come out. And there's a section here in which it can be stored in this little cutout section. We also have wheel lock key, tow hook. There's a 12-volt plug over here. This is access to fuse panel. Grocery bag hanger on this side. And if I take this off, you'll see we've got a tire inflator kit and a tire sealant canister. There are also 4 static tie down areas in the back on each corner. And when you're done with this, you can put this back out so when the tailgate's closed, if anybody peeks in, they won't be able to see what you got back here. Air suspension button here, so if the car wasn't already on the lowest setting, you can lower it from back here. And we have close, and lock, but I can certainly just kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Look at that. This shot looks so mean. Look how broad the shoulders are on this vehicle. When we come around to the passenger side, on the passenger side rear quarter, we have the fuel cap, and we are looking for 91 octane. This door is connected to the central locking system. It's counterclockwise, 1 click, little spot to put that, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click, and you can shut the door. Now, if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we've got the manual sunshade, stitching going across the panel, door pull, window switch, ambient light, wood trim, speaker. You have some ambient light in the door pocket. We have the illuminating aluminum M door sill, Black Sensafin Interior Decor. There's a little stirrup for the seatbelt here, so if you do fold down the seats, which fold down in a 60-40 split, you can have the seatbelt out of the way. We also have armrest in the center with cup holders, storage space, and once this is down, you can find the string for the center passenger as well. ISOFIX down here. Up top, we have the black headliner, interior reading lights, and on the back of each front seat, USB Type-C accessory port, ambient light up here, pocket. We have some more vents underneath the front seats with some lighting. On the back of the center console, we've got some rear climate controls with heated seats for the 2 outer positions, a little storage area, and a 12-volt plug at the bottom. So now that we've had a chance to look through the back door, let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. So go ahead and open that front door up. More stitching across the door panel. We have the door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, wood trim, door pocket, some carpeted mats are on the floor here on the passenger side, aluminum illuminating M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Headrest is the only thing that's manually adjusted if you wanted to fold the headrest like that, but power under the thigh, power just shoulder recline. So that's sweet. Glove box illuminates down here, wood trim, soft touch with some stitching going across. We also have the curved display with iDrive 8.5. We've got these new vent designs here. If I open this up, we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders that are both heated and cooled, just like this. And they're not magic, so don't put your Yeti in there thinking it's gonna work. It's not gonna work. We have some padding going across the side, wood trim over here. You have your iDrive controller, push start button, gear selector, air suspension controller. And if I press this, it opens up in a split, and inside you have a USB Type-C charging port and the armrest heat with the heated seats individually on each side. So let's shut this door. Soft closed doors, and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up, you'll see that we have tailgate open. If keys inside, you can press and hold that for tailgate close. Passenger seat button, so pressing this allows these seat controls to control that seat over there. So that's cool, right? That's this one here. Memory, saves your seating position, side mirror position, steering wheel position. Window controls, side mirror controls, unlock, lock, big deep door pocket down here as well. Another aluminum M, illuminating door sill, full power seat, same type of controls as we saw on the passenger side. And up top, we have the Sky Lounge sunroof, so ambient light color displays there. And I can see we've got indigo blue going around here. This is the M steering wheel with the M at 6 o'clock. This one has the full advanced driver assist, so it has the assisted driving plus, no hands on the steering wheel, mitigates speed, distance, steers for you, all no hands, so that's sweet. Head-up display, and we also have the rear view mirror with the garage door openers, reading lights up top, and we also have a mirror here that turns the light on. And we have all the self-parking features, so automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, pre-recorded parking path, and you can do the remote control parking through the My BMW app as well. And of course, this generation of X5, X6, X7 all get the digital key plus, which is also quite good. Exterior lighting controls, storage compartment, here are your pedals. This is the stock kind of floor mat that comes as a disposable. And we have your hood release down here, 2 pulls. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This one produces 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid over here. There's 4 strut braces under the hood as well for rigidity. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, meaning they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally send her down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap around this beautiful 2026 X6 xDrive40i. And Brooklyn Gray Metallic. I really like how the X6 looks. It looks so so bold, so tough. And since we're back here, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. All right, we don't have enough gas. Yeah. We don't have enough gas to make it work, so that's what it looks like if you try remote engine start, you don't have enough gas. I tried, but anyway, let's continue around all the way to the front. This thing's a beast. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Black Sensafin Interior, 22-inch black 742M wheels, red calipers. What do you think of this spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.